Hi, this is Murray from Murray's Tech Time, and I'm trying a little different angle this time, and putting the phone closer to me so that maybe you can have a little higher audio, because I noticed it was kind of low. But anyway, let's get into this. I got another build from PCPP, and it is for somebody who's got like around $750, $800. So it's a little better system. It's an Intel system. It's based on the 12400F and a 4060 GPU. I put a inexpensive cooler in with it just because I don't like the coolers that come with the Intels. They seem to be very cheap. I made sure that it had Wi-Fi. I made sure that you get a mid-tier power supply, and it's in a fractal design case, so everything's pretty good in it. Then of course, upgradable if you want, no problem. Just have to get a faster CPU if you want, or faster memory. I did put how fast is it? 6400 CL32 memory, and it was just pretty fast already, so I'm sure you'd probably be fine with that. But anyway, I think I'm getting close to the 2 minutes here. Yep, I am. So I'll just say bye for now, and I'll be talking to you in a few days. And the price of the system right now is $753.39. Hopefully it'll be that price whenever you see it. Thank you very much. Talk to you later.